Let's go and see the shea butter Akua Dimples has made today in the northern region. Hey. I'm going to just cream my skin. Kiss from this dimple. Kiss from this dimple. Akua Dimples, I am signing in. As you know, I am in the northern region, and today is my first time, and I'm about to experience how shea butter is made. I can't wait to see these ladies hard at work, really putting, you know, all that elbow grease into it. So we're going to learn the process of making shea butter step by step. You are in for a treat. Follow me, let's go, guys.
Yes.
So this is the first step.
Yes, this is the nuts itself.
Okay.
This nut has been washed.
Mm.
So now it's ready.
What nut is this?
That's the shea nuts.
Shea nuts, okay. And it's been washed.
Yes.
So ready, then they crack it.
Yes.
Okay.
They have a crusher which, after washing it, we dry it and we look for the water to then we take it in to crash.
Okay, so the shea nuts, they've washed it, they dry it, and then it's ready to be cracked. Okay, can I crack some? So the seeds, once they are carried, they are taken into this room here. It might be a little bit dark, but we'll see what we can get. So we've got this in, okay, so she carried it. Should I help you?
So let's go to this one is finished.
Okay, so guys, as you can see, that was the process of crushing the nuts, going through that machine, and then it gets dried. So you can see here, this is the same nut that has been dried out. Can you see? It reminds me a bit like cocoa beans. So it's a lot more harder and crispier once it's been dried. It's quite hot as well because it's been in the sun for so long. Wow, the process is pretty amazing so far. Once it's all dried, they basically roast it in a machine to get it, I think to get it a bit more brown or something. They roast it basically, and it's in a special machine. But I'm hearing today it's quite quiet here. They usually have over 125 women working. I can imagine that already. So let's go over to the machine they use to roast it.
Come to this side.
Oh, wow.
Come to this side.
Okay.
Bring that.
No, it's okay. So there's fire underneath. Wow. So the the shea butter just spins inside the shea nuts, so they roast it evenly. Okay. Wow. So after it's been roasted, they bring it here so you can see it's much darker. It's much darker, but it's starting. It smells like, I don't know, it's something you can eat. Can I taste it? I eat everything. I feel like I want to taste it. It smells like chocolate. Like a bit like chocolate, like cocoa. I don't know why this is reminding me of cocoa, but it smells a lot like chocolate. Okay, so they leave this to cool over here and to dry as well. So after it's all cooled down, I'm being told they mill it and then it becomes this. They don't add anything to it, nothing at all. And then it looks like this. What? This looks like chocolate. It really looks like chocolate. Like you can eat it. Wow. It's so thick. This is so satisfying. I feel I can do this all day. It feels very smooth and nice. Wow. So after the milling, then it just goes here. Wow.
Thanks, made it. Thanks, made it. Thanks, made it.
Okay, so basically this is like the first stage after it has been dried, and she adds some water and she keeps kneading and kneading until, you know, she keeps adding water until it, you know, it becomes soft. Can I help you?
No,
Can I? Are you laughing at me? She doesn't think I can do it. I think she's surprised that I'm putting my hand in here. Me too, I want to be northerner. Can I be a northern woman? After this, would you give me a job here? Can I work?
This is the manager.
Manager, can I have a job here?
Oh, you can.
It feels so nice. Wow. So this is a lot of work. How long do you do it for? Like how long? How long will she do this before it looks like hers?
Within 30 minutes.
30 minutes? Oh wow. Okay, let's go fast. Show me, so do I need to go circle? Oh.
That's the way you.
Okay, my turn.
Down.
Don't laugh at me.
A little for doing no.
Good?
You want it to be fast.
So what's this here?
That is
Keep on doing.
The oil from the
yeah, the one she scooped from after doing.
Yes. So this is one that's almost kind of done as shea. So we add it to it to make it easier. So you just make shea butter. Oh, thank you. Okay, so we have to make it neat. Hey, do you know what? I could literally like have a shea butter bath like in this It feels so nice. Okay, so I think I need to fast forward. So from this step here, does it go over there? I think it goes there, doesn't it? Can you see how it looks? It looks really nice. Okay, she adds water. Should I wash my hands first?
No, you stirring the small plate.
Oh, okay. Oh, small one.
Like she's doing.
Okay. Oh, this is nice. This one is oily. Wow. They gave me a miniature bowl because I think they think I'm an amateur. I am an expert. Nice. It's nice, isn't it? Nice? Yeah. You want me to stop? Look, I can actually, I'm starting to see, if I collect the top, this is actually shea butter. Oh, okay, thank you. What's a tree? And I made bread say. Into country. Oh, country, now woman may come and brought food in our say no. Oh, sister. We na muti tree. Oh, okay.
Oh, it's fine.
Into tingumo, okay. Into na room in salon. Yanti tingu, intimate me san sambu. Oh, okay. I was in the cassia power. So she's saying because the water is warm, that's why it's really soft. Because of the sun. Sister, but you're frozen. Martha. What's a nice name? Oh, I don't know. You miss that. Maybe you know the video.
After taking what one is question.
Guys, I don't know how long it's going to take me to get it all in there, but so help me God. Can I use 2 hands?
No.
Martha, 2 hands?
This is our father.
Aha. Okay. Good. Bear try me, Martha. Bear back, try me. May I say, let me do good. Martha is the expert. Martha, aha. Oh, you squeeze. Aha, okay, Martha. Thank you. Martha, be my mejuma waha. So, guys, from here, once you've been able to fill the pot successfully, unlike me, then they go over to boil it. They boil the shea butter, and then this is the final step. Oh, this can I carry it?
Africa Queen Fufu, made from 100% fresh plantain, so you can taste the pure flavor of real good fufu.
Food is ready.
Let's dig in. Africa Queen Fufu, experience the true flavor.
Africa Queen Fufu no. Products nimu.
Available in all Afro-Caribbean.
Ah, this is easy, cry. Let's go. Let me do nice walking. Wow, it's so hot. I can feel the steam.
So, Zambato food.
Show me, yeah.
Now, one more.
Ooh. Wow.
Small.
So it's small.
Yeah.
I can see the oil inside already. I can imagine how careful you need to be for this, because if this oil touches your skin, only a plastic surgery will fix it. It's really hot, and I can imagine the weather's already hot as it is in the northern region, and then these ladies have to do this like all day long. This is extra heat added to the northern sun. It's not easy at all. Swap over. And I'm trying to really get the bottom of the pot. Wow. Yeah.
No.
So I can see oil already being formed. Nice. Okay, so this process here is about 45 minutes to 1 hour of intensive cooking and stirring and boiling.
Yes,
So guys, look at the byproduct. This
that's
is,
the byproduct.
after removing all the oil, it's so black in there. So guys, as you can see, this is the byproduct after they've taken the oil out, and actually they dry it, and then it turns to this, and then this basically goes in the fire. Do you see it? They put it inside the fire to help fan the fire. Because they're able to use this for the fire, it means they are able to use less wood, and it reduces the amount of money they're spending on wood to help fan the fire. Today we have been making shea butter. Let's go and see the shea butter Akua Dimples has made today in the northern region. Yanko. So guys, this is basically the final stage. It has already gone through the 2 processes of boiling, and this is how the oil looks. And we're now going to go into the cooling room to see the shea butter cool down, looking like shea butter. Hey, I'm going to just cream my skin. Wow. Wow. This is nice. Look at that.
So that the oil looks like Shea.
Yeah. And this has been packaged there to sell. So I'm just going to take a little bit. Wow. It's so silky. Let me go out in the sun so you can see it properly. Look at my skin, guys. It's so silky. Wow, so nice. This is the final look. This is the shea butter I have made today. I feel very proud of myself. I think I'm an official shea butter making northern woman after this experience. This is really nice. It's so soft. Wow. Can't wait to take this back home and start using it. Wow, thank you very much, guys. It's been amazing today, and I hope you've learned something today, because I have definitely experienced something new. You know, let me know what you thought about the process, and I will see you very soon on this channel, guys. So until next time, it's kiss from this dimple, Akua Dimples, and my Shea organic butter from North. I am signing out.